Thermostat wiring and replacement. Check the 5-minute compressor delay, thermostat display behavior, and 24-volt signal paths before calling for service. When cooling does not start immediately after setting the thermostat, first respect the built-in compressor short cycle protection. Most systems enforce a timed lockout of roughly 5 minutes to protect the compressor, so do not try to force it by repeatedly changing settings. Next, confirm the thermostat itself is behaving. A steady display, proper backlight, or normal icons indicate it is powered. A blinking display often means low battery or loss of power from the 24-volt transformer. Remove the thermostat from its base to inspect the terminal connections. Make sure the wires to the cooling coil lead labeled Y and the fan coil lead labeled G are snug, corrosion-free, and on the correct terminals. A loose Y wire can energize the relay intermittently. At the air handler or condensing unit control board, check for 24 volt between the common terminal and Y and between the common and G using a multimeter set to AC volts. No voltage to Y means the thermostat is not completing the cooling call. If you see voltage at the control board but the condenser does not run, verify the contactor coil at the outdoor unit receives voltage and that the contactor is not mechanically stuck. A multimeter plus a manual press test will reveal that. For replacement thermostats, verify the new device is configured for conventional systems versus heat pump systems and set the correct fan control and stage count. Incorrect configuration can prevent a proper Y call. When smart thermostats are used, ensure the C or common wire is present or the unit has an adapter kit. Many smart units try to draw power wirelessly and cause blinking or intermittent calls if C is absent. Finally, document wire colors, terminal labels, and take a photo before disconnecting anything. This avoids miswiring on reinstallation. One of the most common issues is thermostat delay complaints and false short cycle fear. Search keywords like compressor short cycle protection and cooling delay fix by explaining the 5-minute compressor protection and advising homeowners to wait and watch the system for at least 7 minutes. One of the next frequent problems is no 24-volt signal to Y or G, often caused by a tripped transformer or blown fuse. Use keywords thermostat 24-volt test and control board fuse and remedy by testing for voltage at the transformer, replacing the fuse on the control board, or replacing the transformer if dead. One of the third is miswired or loose connections after replacement, searchable with thermostat wiring issues and thermostat not calling for cooling. Prevent and fix by labeling wires, photographing the original wiring, stripping properly, and verifying tight terminal screws and correct terminal mapping before powering up. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local HVAC contractors and provides homeowner-focused guides that match this troubleshooting advice, helping users find pros when the problem is beyond basic checks. Contractors use BigHomeProjects.com to get vetted leads and display verified services so homeowners can hire someone who knows how to test 24-volt signals, diagnose contactors, and correctly configure replacement thermostats.